All right, time for another look at our weather, but first a look at last night's beautiful sunset after the storm out of Greenleaf. Isn't that beautiful with those pictures, with those, flowers in the front of the picture? Thank you to Jack Berry for sharing on Idaho Weather Watchers. That is just a gorgeous shot.
Jack, you can grow it. Good for you.
He can. Let's get to another guy who can grow it. Jim, talk about what happened last night.
That certainly is pretty, but you know what? If you weren't in the middle of those downpours, you got pictures like that because the sky was painted pretty colors as we got towards sunset. But right around 6 or 7 o'clock, there were some areas of heavy rain that hit portions of Ada County from Eagle along the foothills down into southeast Boise, even some areas of hail pelted in the region. Then out toward Parma and up toward the Washington County area, some heavy rainfall out into eastern Oregon. So we had anywhere from almost an inch of rain up around Ola to almost an inch of rain out in eastern Oregon. So no wonder there are some problems on the highways because of debris flow in some spots. Beautiful sunrise underway right now with a few leftover clouds from yesterday's storms. 61 degrees in Boise right now as south winds at about 5 to 10 miles per hour at the Boise airport. And if you look at Storm Tracker here, you'll see that there isn't much in the way of any precipitation occurring right now. There were some heavier showers late in the evening over toward the Magic Valley that left up to a ½ inch around Burley and close to a ½ inch in Twin Falls and Jerome and many other areas. And there are still some light showers drifting out of the western portion of the Magic Valley down into eastern Owyhee County, southern Twin Falls County to the Nevada border. Those have been dissipating throughout the morning and will end, but it's all circulating around a low pressure system down into northern Utah. And so that's continuing to pull that moist subtropical air back up into southern Idaho and setting the stage for another round of afternoon showers and thunderstorms that some of them could produce some locally heavy rainfall and gusty winds and even a chance of some hail. Again, the best chance between about 5 p.m. and 9 p.m. So those died down later on this evening, but still pretty active even into the night down into northern Nevada. And then on Tuesday, looking for them to fire up again in the afternoon from the mountains down to the Magic Valley and a chance over into the Treasure Valley and into eastern Oregon once again. But then by late Tuesday, a cold front sags over the area. We see one line of showers and locally heavy rain moving by with that front, followed by drier air coming in from the northwest on Wednesday and Thursday. So we get some sunshine both of those days and temperatures cool off just a little bit. So the forecast for the Magic Valley today is calling for temperatures in the mid to upper 70s with that chance of some strong thunderstorms in the afternoon. Mountain areas also looking at thunderstorms developing this afternoon. A slight chance out toward the western end of the valley. There could be some brief heavy rain with any of these storms today in the Treasure Valley and again tomorrow afternoon, although we die down overnight and clear up in the mornings before it builds up again in the afternoons. That front Tuesday night brings in some drier air Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures cool off a bit to the low 80s, warming back up to the mid 80s Friday. Chance of thunder showers later in the weekend. And then next week, we're cooling off again with another cold front into the 70s.
Ooh, I'll take that minus the storms. Thanks, Jim.